call a phone, Goldie. It's a phone. You guys aren't gonna mess with it. It's a... Move! Okay, Goldie, move! Goldie, move! Hey guys, welcome back to the unconventional family, the Joneses. Guys, this here's Twinkie. She is our oldest chicken. She's a Buff Orpington. Okay. She's 8 years old. That's why she's panting like an old woman. But anyway, I'm not just here to talk about each chicken. Well, kind of. But I'm actually going to be checking over some of them. For mites, for bumblefoot, and their crops. That's just my general checkup. As you can tell, their crops are right here. She hasn't eaten anything, so I can't feel her crop. I need to check their necks and under their tails for mites. Okay. Gotta deal with her. But first, bumblefoot. Bumblefoot just looks like a scab on the foot. But sometimes they'll just have mud balls caught in between their toes. All you have to do is rub them out. She's fine, but I still need to deal with mites. Come here, Twinkie. So Twinkie was a part of batch number 1. She's the last one of batch number 1. Fluff and another one of the same breed are the only ones left of batch number 2. This is Fluffy. She's an Australorp. She likes eating a lot. And she has crooked toes. We could have fixed her whenever she was a chick, but because we didn't pay enough attention, she has crooked toes now. We can't fix them anymore, but they don't pain her. Okay. Fluff's all good. Obi, go! Fun, I'm doing you next. Just gonna speed check Obi real quick. I won't bore you guys with any more introductions. I'll just speed through the whole flock. I may stop on some of the interesting ones though. See, Mom, come look. Younger ones like Patton and the Bird Rocks, they're fine because they're younger.
They treat them anyway. Wendy, don't spin him!
Their wings are still clipped from when I did it when they were flying over the fence.
Have they grown out?
But they get, no, only their pin feather. I think this is called the pin feather. I think they grew that back, but it grows back really fast.
Do their feathers ever grow back?
Yeah. When they molt. When they molt, these will fall out.
They don't like grow though. The feathers
No.
themselves don't grow.
No. They'll only grow back if they molt them.
I guess that makes sense.
Look what. Oh. This is Pete. Come over here. She's an Easter egger. And she's white.
Oh.
She's my cuddle chicken. You see? She likes to be petted. She likes to be petted. See? She's a nice chickie.
Ah.
She likes to be petted, unlike some of them. You see her wing?
Yeah.
See how big they are? Okay, I'm gonna get the scissors and we're gonna trim her feathers. So can you hold Pete?
Yeah.
Sit down. Right here. Here, put her legs in between yours. Put her legs in between yours. There. Okay, now she's gonna sit. Okay. Okay. Aw. Oh no! Here, hold the scissors. Hurry. Pete is a naughty girl. He goes over the fence to eat bird feed at the neighbor's house. We're gonna trim her feathers. And look, these feathers are the warm feathers. They keep her warm. The feather, they fold under. These feathers are the flight feathers. That's what she flies with. And there's a little line. Can you see these new feathers? Those ones are in front of the flight ones, and those are the ones that we stop at. So, we start the warm feathers, which is right here. And we cut off the flight feathers. And we don't go past that little feather line. Okay? And it doesn't hurt. Because it's like hair. Does your hair hurt? Does your hair hurt? No. This is like her hair. See? Now she can't fly with her wing. Here's the warm feathers. Here's the flying feathers. And you see those ones?
Yeah.
That's where you stop.
Oh, those
And it doesn't hurt. See? No blood. See the tips? There's no blood. That means it doesn't hurt. Okay, now she won't fly over the fence. Peep. Say bye, Peep. So guys, you just saw me checking up on all the chickens. I'm gonna tune in tomorrow so you can see me spray them, do the coop, do the nesting boxes. They're not fun jobs, but hey, if you take care of the little things, God will bless you with bigger things. And in this case for me, it would be being able to get chickens in Germany. So I'm gonna take care of the chickens that I have now. So, I'll see you tomorrow.
Mom? Who did this? This is insanity. He literally filled up the toilet with every single bath toy he could possibly grab his hands on.
It makes me nuts.